Hello YouTube, this is Dante, and I want to see if you think these cards are fake or real. First we have up Summon Skull. Next is Dark Magician. Later it is Angel Phoenix. Next, Cycler Sky Dragon. And finally, Exodia. On the back of the card though, this is the back of Exodia. Back of Sliker. Back of Angel Phoenix. Back of Dark Magician. And back of Summon Skull. Please comment. Please comment.